One of Foxhole's major features is its research and technology system. As technology progresses, new weapons, vehicles, and equipment open up new tactics and strategies for defeating the enemy. However, this system can seem complicated to new players. This brief guide will teach you how technology works and how research advances it. Technology in Foxhole is advanced with two materials, iron and aluminum. Small piles of these materials will spawn at random in salvage fields as they are mined. Hitting these piles will yield either iron or aluminum depending on the type of pile. Until a salvage field is emptied, the kind of tech material it yields will always be the same. Once it is depleted and respawns, the material may change. Once tech is harvested from the field, it must be taken to a refinery and processed. Once the materials are refined, they can be used at the Technology Center to research technology. There are two technology trees in Foxhole, vehicles and infantry. Vehicle technology is advanced with iron, and infantry technology is advanced with aluminum. Technology advances as a series of tiers. Usually, there will be 3 tiers visible, in addition to those already completed. The lowest tier is considered the current tier. Many tiers give a choice of different technologies to research. This functions as a voting system. The tier is completed when the total of each choice adds up to 100%. The choice with the most progress is the one unlocked. Additionally, some tiers may have extra choices that cannot be researched. These are found to the right of the divider. These are auto techs and will automatically unlock when the tier is completed. The team has the option to skip tiers if they think this may be advantageous. Researching the current tier will never fail, but researching later tiers might, with each tier having a progressively higher chance of failure. The first tier after the current one will have an 80% chance of success. The second, a 60% chance of success. Tiers higher than this are hidden and may not be researched. For the research level to advance, the research attempt must succeed. You know an attempt succeeded if you receive a prototype kit, and you may also see the progress bar move. Failed attempts result in the loss of the materials used. This means that when attempting to skip tiers, the progress of the technology will be 20 to 40% slower than if the team had waited. When a tier is successfully skipped, it does not uncover the hidden tiers, and it does not change the chance of success for the tiers after it. The team must still go back and research the current tier in order to have the next one succeed. When the tech tree is completed, it starts again from the bottom, giving the team an opportunity to go back and unlock the alternative options that were not chosen in the previous passes. Vehicles researched in subsequent passes through the technology tiers are slightly stronger than if they had been researched earlier. Advancing the technology level is a team effort. Often, a single salvage field does not yield enough tech materials to research a new technology. To more efficiently research the technology, the team often pools together the materials they find. Usually, this means you can simply leave your tech materials in the stockpile of the nearest refinery. Periodically, players may drive through logistics towns and collect all of the accrued technology and bring it back to a central location. These players may be called tech runners, or, by disgusting Warden Weebs, tech maids. Additionally, in order to keep technology materials secure, a player may act as quartermaster and retain in a locked vehicle an amount of tech materials that is not sufficient to research the next item. This prevents the tech materials from being stolen or misappropriated. However, the quartermaster is a social role, not a game mechanic, and a successful quartermaster must earn the trust of the team in order to perform the job. Successful research of technology yields prototype kits, which may be used to produce the researched item before it actually unlocks. Prototype kits are a byproduct of the research process, and it is not necessary to manufacture the prototype in order to advance the tech. For infantry equipment, the prototype kit can be used in any factory and produces fully functional weapons or equipment. Vehicles are different. Prototype kits for vehicles can only be produced at the mass production factory. The result of producing a vehicle prototype at the mass production factory is a vehicle crate containing 1 prototype vehicle. This single prototype costs as much as a crate of 3 fully researched vehicles would. Prototype vehicles are much weaker than their fully researched counterparts. Prototypes can only be repaired in a garage, not in the field. If a prototype vehicle is disabled in the field, there is no way to recover it and repair it. However, if a prototype crate is produced and then not opened until the vehicle is fully researched, then the crate will contain 3 fully researched vehicles instead of 1 prototype. In summary, iron and aluminum are found in salvage fields and used to research and unlock new vehicles and equipment. Share with your team to quickly progress through the tech tree. Use prototypes to get the jump on new technology. Enjoy the war as technology evolves and creates new ways to play. Thanks for watching.